Hello everyone, so welcome in English class with teacher again. So in this video, teacher would like to teach you about what is that? Okay, about the part of the body. Okay, so actually you know already, but I would like everyone to know in English word. Okay, now let's start with me. So before teacher show you something, let touch your hair. Okay, like this. Use your two hands, raise your hand up like this. Touch your hair, your ear, your eyes, your nose, your mouth. Okay, your chin, your face. This is your cheek, right? Okay, okay, shoulder. Okay, elbow, knee and toes. Okay, so today teacher will gonna teach you the word of the part of the body, so the whole body, but it's not all, maybe because maybe some of you cannot remember all. That's why teacher teach you only a half, maybe some of the body only. Okay, so now let's move. Okay, so teacher have a the picture. Can you see this picture? Okay, the teacher show you close. What is it? Okay, hair. Okay, hair, and this is your hair, right? Okay, touch your hair, and then this one, what are this? Okay, eyes. You got it? Eyes. Okay, you have to follow teacher. And then this one, what is it? This is the picture. Ear. All right, ear. Okay, please point. So when you practice and you follow teacher, it's so easy, so everyone can learn fast. Okay, not only just write the word on the whiteboard into your notebook, but also you practice with me. Okay, so this one, ear, and then look, this picture, look, they show you nose. Again, nose. Very good. Okay, say again, nose. Okay, also this one, look, what is it? Mouth. Okay, mouth. Okay, good. And then like this, cheek, you will see what inside our mouth is teeth. Okay, read again, teeth. Okay, good. Now one more, this one, what is it? Cheek. Cheek. Okay, cheek. All right, this one is, what is it? Look at the picture. This is chin. Say again, chin. Very good. So this is all kind of the picture of our head. Again, hair. All right. Okay. Eye. These are my eye. Ear. All right. Ear. This one. Nose. This one. Mouth. This one. Cheek. This one. Teeth. Okay. And this one is chin. Okay, good. Next, okay, teacher will write all this one on the whiteboard. Don't worry, but teacher will like to show you first. Okay, now look at this one, everyone. Look at this. This one. Do you see teacher picture? I'm sorry, it's a little bit small. Shoulder. Say, follow me. Shoulder. Okay, shoulder. Okay, right. Okay, one more. Teacher would like to show you. Can you see this one? This one is bigger a little bit. Okay, here, elbow. All right, again, elbow. All right, good. And this one, oh, what are these? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, the small one. This one, this one, this one, this one. We call that finger. Okay, finger, everyone. So next, let's move this one. What are these? Okay, knee, everyone, knee. Okay, this one is, what are these? Okay, leg. Okay, now the last one is, what is it? What are these? I'm sorry, feet, because two, so we're gonna say feet. Okay, now again, before we write down the word, let's practice with teacher again. Okay. Okay. Now let's start. Hair. Okay. Okay. Hairs. Eyes. My eyes. My ear. My nose. My mouth. My teeth. My cheek. My chin. All right. My chin. My shoulder. Okay. My elbow. My finger, all right, my finger, my knee, okay, my leg, and my feet. I'm sorry. Okay, you got it. So you have to practice like teacher, so you will learn fast. So now let's move. Teacher will write some words on the whiteboard and let everyone copy it also. Okay. So okay.